If you notice, a few days ago I uploaded a short on my YouTube channel where I was showing you that the Eclipse is back. Well, today I decided to tell you a little bit more about that Eclipse. This Eclipse is part of a second generation of cars that Mitsubishi launched to the market and surprised its users with an incredible redesign compared to the first generation. And you may be asking, why? Well, that's a pretty simple question to answer. This car has a spoiler, beautiful lines, and a cooler style in general. Very quickly became a sensation among young people under 30 years old. Not to say that the convertible version was a success among the señoritas. The base models of the Mitsubishi Eclipse came out with a 428 engine, which is nothing more than a modified version of the Chrysler Neon engine. The Eclipse also has the turbo version of the Spider, turbo version of the GS, and also an all-wheel drive turbocharged. All of those versions use the 4G63 engine. They all have 210 horsepower with 214 foot-pound of torque. The 428, which was the weakest engine, it's a fun car to drive. It's a tunable engine, but not as tunable as the 4G63. The 4G63 has an insane market for parts, and it can get super fast. And doesn't matter which Mitsubishi Eclipse you choose, there is an insane amount of body kits you can put, wings you can change, and things you can do to your car. But despite this car being so awesome, it just got very popular after the release of the first Fast and Furious in June 2001. That Mitsubishi Eclipse almost won the first race. It was so exciting moment of that movie, and was owned by Paul Walker. It was a green Mitsubishi Eclipse, and despite the 428 being the slowest engine, that's what that car had. And after that movie, everybody wanted a Mitsubishi Eclipse. Then fast forward to 6 years ago, I ended up getting my Mitsubishi Eclipse for $500. The door handle was missing, there was oil leaks, power steering wasn't working. So there was zero knowledge on mechanics. So little by little I learned how to build an engine, which parts I needed, what I need to do to turbo an engine, and I started. And if you are interested, I have over 130 videos building this car, tuning this car, and doing everything myself. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. You can see way more content coming about Supra, BMW, the Eclipse. This is not the fastest car I own today, but it's definitely one of the funnest cars to drive because of the noises and how you feel the speed. I took it for a ride today. I'm gonna show you a few clips with the noises and everything. I hope you enjoy, and later. Officially taking the Eclipse for a ride. Went to Ace Hardware store to get parts for the Supra, and we got everything we needed. I hope you guys enjoy the day with the Eclipse. I know it's a short video. If you guys want more, leave a little comment here. The more love you guys give me, the more love we're gonna put in this car, and we're gonna go for more rides.